Here's a simple step-by-step guide showing you how to create an Amazon wishlist, either private or public. On your computer browser, go to Amazon.com and sign in to your account. At the top right of the page, hover over Accounts and Lists, then click Create a List. Amazon will ask you to name your new wish list. Enter any name you want and click Create List. Once the list is created, Amazon automatically opens it. On the right side, click More and then Manage List. Here you can choose your privacy settings. Private. Only you can see the wish list shared. Only people with your link can view it public. Anyone on Amazon can find it. Select whichever option fits your needs. In the same Manage List menu, you can customize everything. Add a description, add an address for gift delivery, select your default list, allow or disable third-party sellers, turn on or off, don't spoil my surprises. After adjusting the settings, click Save Changes. Now browse Amazon normally. Whenever you see an item you want to save, click on it and select Add to List. Then choose the wish list you just created. You can add unlimited items, create multiple lists, and switch privacy anytime. And that's how you create an Amazon wish list, private or public.